Okay, now come to the next question. That is 40. Diameter is given 49 meter. Okay, in the previous question, radius was given to you, but in this question, what happens? Diameter is given to you. In such type of question, when diameter is given to you, there you have to find the radius first. Why? Because the formula is pi r square. For finding r, okay, we need radius. Okay, so this is not the circumference question. Okay, in circumference question, if diameter is given there, we can use pi d. But here we have to find the area. For finding the area, we need r, radius. For that, what we will do? Just divide the diameter by 2. Okay, when you divide the diameter by 2, you will get radius. Half of the diameter is radius. So here, area of the circle is given pi r square. The formula, value of pi is given 22 by 7. So 49 by 2, our new radius. Okay, 49 by 2 meter is our new radius. So according to the formula, r square, that is 49 by 2 into 49 by 2. So this 7 and this 49, when you cut it, you will get 7 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7 here. This 2 and this 22, you can cut it, you will get 2 1s are 2 11s are. So we left with 11, this 7 and this 49 by 2. Multiply this 3. No need to find LCM here. It's a multiplication. So just multiply 11 into 7 into 49. You will get 3773. 3773 by 2. Okay. When you divide this, you will get 1886.5 meters square. Okay. When you divide this 3773 by 2. Okay, 3773 by 2, you will get 1886.5 meters square. Okay, that's the final answer for this question. So hope it is clear to you that when the diameter is given to you, what you have to do? You have to find the radius first. Third option is 5 centimeter. This question is homework for you. You have to find the area here. Just put this formula and find the area. Okay. Hope it is clear to you. Just go through it. Okay, now come to question number 3. In this question number 3, one circular sheet is given whose circumference is given to you. Okay, that is 154 meter. And question, what do you have to find out? You have to find the radius and the area. The value of pi is given 22 by 7. Now, so we are having circumference with us. So first, let r be the radius of the circular sheet. Okay, we're not having radius. So just we are putting r be the radius of the circular sheet. And next is circumference of the circular sheet, that is given 154 meter. That is given in the question. So circumference is given means 2 pi r is given. Okay, since the diameter is not given, that's why we are not using pi d. Radius is given. We have to find the radius. So we are using this formula 2 pi r. Okay. In this 2 pi r we have to find out first. Okay. And the value of 2 pi r is 154. That is given here. So just put the value of pi here and just solve it. So 2 into value of pi is 22 by 7 into r, that we have to find out. How much? 154. That is given. So we have to find the value of r. R is equal to this 154. We have to shift this 2 this side and this 22 by 7 also this side. Okay. So this 154 you have to write as it is. This, when you shift, if number is not there, just put 1 here. Okay. When you shift this 2 by 1, it will become, when it goes there, it will become 1 by 2. and this 22 by 7 will become 7 by 22, means it's a reciprocal. Okay, so 2 by 1 will become 1 by 2 and 22 by 7 will become 7 by 22. We have to do the reciprocal of this 2. Then after that I have done the calculation here. With the help of this 2, you can cut 154, you will get 77, and 77 and this 22, you can cut it. So final, after cutting, you will get 7 into 7 upon 2. Okay, so the radius is 7 into 7, that is 49 by 2. When you divide it, you will get 24.5 meter, you will get the radius. So we got the radius 24.5. The next part was to find the area. The formula for the area of the circle is pi r square, means 22 by 7 into r, we are having 24.5 into 24.5. Cut this 7 and 24.5, so you will get 3.5. So 22 into 3.5 into 24.5. When you multiply all the three, you will get 1886.5 meter square. Okay, hope it is clear to you. Once again, I am just telling you, circumference is given to you. You have to find the radius here. 2 pi r is 154. Just put the value 2 into 22 by 7 into r into 154. So we have to find the value of radius. Just shift this 2 by 1 and 22 by 7 this side. It will become reciprocal. After cancellation, you will get the answer 24.5. That is radius. Then after that, the question is to find out area. For finding the area, the formula is pi r square. Pi means 22 by 7 into 24.5 into 24.5. This 7 and this 24.5 cancel, 24.5 cancel it. So the final answer is 1886.5 meters square. Hope it is clear to you. Just go through it. Okay, so let's now come to question number 4. So I'm just reading the question. So a gardener wants to fence a circular garden of the diameter 21 meter. Okay, one circular garden fencing is given. Okay, when the word fencing is there in the question, so then you have to find the circumference. Okay, so diameter is given 21 meter. Find the length of a rope he needs to purchase if he makes 2 rounds, okay, of fence. Okay, so he is going to make a fencing there. So 2 rounds of fencing is needed. So how much length of the rope is needed, that we have to find out, and also find the cost of the rope. If it cost ₹4 per meter. Okay, so this question is homework for you. Okay, so how to do this? Since diameter is given there, okay, 21 meter, so you have to find the circumference. Because why we have to find the circumference? We are just talking about fencing the circular garden. Okay, so the term fencing came, it means we have to find the circumference first. Okay, since the diameter is given, the formula will be pi d. The value of pi is given 22 by 7 into diameter is 21. Cut this, you will get 366. Okay, this is the first circumference we got. Next thing is length of rope is needed for fencing. Okay, how many rounds there? He is going to make 2 rounds. Okay, what you have to do is just multiply this 66 with 2 rounds. So whatever answer will come, so 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12 plus 1, 13. Okay, so in 2 rounds 132 we will get. Now next is we have to find the cost. For finding this cost, what you have to do is multiply with this ₹4. So you will get the final value. So this question is homework for you. So So question is very simple. Diameter is given there. You have to find the circumference. The formula is given pi d in the value of pi. Just put 22/7 multiplied by 21. You will get 66. How many rounds he wants to make? 2 rounds. So 66 into 2. You will get 132. And what is the cost? 132 into 4. This is the final answer after calculation. Okay, so this question is homework for you. You have to find this answer. Okay, so just go through it. Okay, now come to question number 5. So I'm just reading the question. Okay, so from a circular sheet of radius 4 cm, a circle of radius 3 cm is removed. So find the area of remaining sheet. Okay, one circle is of 4 cm, out of which radius of 3 cm circle is taken out. We have to find out the remaining sheet. Okay, so radius of a circular sheet. So we are having 2 circles here. One is 4 cm and another is 3 cm radius, that is taken out. So for the big circle I am writing capital letter R, and for small circle I am writing small letter r. Okay, so radius of a circular sheet, that is big circle, that is 4 cm, that is capital R, and radius of a circle removed, that is small r, 3 cm. So we have to find out area of remaining sheet. So area of remaining sheet is area of the circular sheet, means this from this big sheet minus area of a circle, this smaller circle, right? Since we are having this pi capital R square minus pi small r square. Okay, so this capital for big circle, this capital R is for big circle and this small r for the smaller circle. So pi capital R square minus pi small r square. Okay, so what is common here? This pi is common here, so we will just take it out, this pi, and we left with this capital R square and this small r square, right? So r square minus r square. So value of pi is given 3.14 here. So capital R is 4 square and small r is 3 square. So 3.14 into 4 square is 16 and 3 square is 9 here. So 16 minus 9, that is 7. So 3.14 multiplied by 7. So you will get 21.9 centimeter square. Okay, therefore area of the remaining sheet that you have to find out. So area of the remaining sheet is 21.98 centimeters square. Hope it is clear to you. So up to this question number 5 we are going to do in this exercise. Rest of the question we are going to do in next video. Okay, and if you have any doubt, just drop your message in Campus Care. Okay, hope it is clear to you. Just go through it.